Alright, so I just got done putting the mower away and got the snowblower out here. And just for kicks and giggles, I'm going to see if it'll start up after sitting all summer. So it's full, it's got stabil in the gas. Let's see if it'll start on first pull. Right, so we're on, choke, fuel on, and let's see if it'll start on first pull. Nope. Well, although it wasn't really on the first pull, it was still close enough to count for me. This is the HS720, and so far it's been dead reliable. It starts whenever I need to and goes through the heavy stuff just as easy as the fluff. If you're thinking about buying one, I would strongly recommend it.